So guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video right here, I'm going to show you where you can get 10K or 5K free funnel account from. So without wasting time, let's jump into this. But before that, you have been hearing that people have been using AI to trade. This is one sample of it. So to get that, make sure you join my Telegram channel. I put the link under the video description. Right now, AI is leading and they are taking over the world. So you also have to make use of them in trading as well. So quickly, if you want to get the free funded account, this is what you need to do. Go down to the video description and join my Telegram channel. And this is the update. You can see it clearly here. Let me show it off late. So this is it. I have gotten my 5K account already, and the process I've passed through have been put in the Telegram channel. So together, just go down to the video description and join the Telegram channel and click on the link below. So you can see a member of our team will contact you after the event with the details required to claim and activate your challenge account. We are excited to have you begin your journey with Orion funded, okay, exclusive August offer, and they give 50% off here. You can use this code right here, new 50, to get that. Good. So this is where I update it. Okay, free oral challenge account. Go spine the wheel and win now. So you only have to go and spine the wheel to win. If you are lucky, you are going to get an account. Okay, so I tested it and managed to land a 5,000 oral challenge account for zero cost. And this is the link. This is the link. You can click on it and then it will take you straight to where the spine the wheel page in order for you to go and do that. Note, it is one spine per person. So make sure you check your main inbox and spam folder right after. Go try your luck before it ends. So this is where I used to update every single thing that is happening or I have got an update on. Remember, this is for educational purpose only. We also give free signals here. You can see them here. We are hitting a lot of profit right here. So if you want any of these, join this family now. We do this together in order to help traders win an account for free. Okay, so right here, you just have to copy the link and send it to any browser of your choice. So quickly, you just go to any browser of your choice and then you paste the link right there. Okay, that is the only thing to do. Paste the link right there. So let me just paste this link and hit on enter. Okay, and this will load to the spine of hill page. Okay, sorry for this it's a network problem. Let's go again to get that. Okay, it's very simple. Let's go to our WhatsApp page again. Sorry, the Telegram page. Let's go to the Telegram page again to see if this load. Okay, there's a network issue right here. uh, I'm loading it. Let's wait a little bit. Still loading. H when Windows is start. Okay, so we load it again. Okay, I have to update the link. I think the link has expired, so I have to update the link. I'll do that quickly. So if you join the channel, you get the right link again. I'll update the link. Okay, I will update the link. So let me do this once again. Let's clean this right here. Okay, let's clean this to this level. And we hit enter. Okay, let's go with this. Okay, good. We go and load their page. Good. So it has load. Good. So I will update the link right there. I will update the link. I'll try and update the link right there so that you can also get access to this. This is their page. This is their page right here. It's very, very important to be in the Telegram channel. I'll update the link before this video get posted. Okay, so this is what you're supposed to do to win an account from them. Okay, spine the wheel. So when you're here, make sure you do your own research before you get hand on them. It's very, very important. It's very, very, very important to do that. So guys, this is what I have for you guys today. Try to be in the Telegram channel and enjoy every single opportunity that I may do a research and get hand on. All right, so guys, I'll see you in my next video tomorrow. Remember, I drop video every single day. I drop video every single day. So don't forget to subscribe for those kind of videos every single day. Goodbye and see you in the next opportunity tomorrow. Bye.